This video is a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your own PayPal account here in Nigeria and start performing some transaction on it. So if you are looking for a way to create a PayPal account, then this video is for you. If you follow the step-by-step process that I'll be showing you on how to create your PayPal account, then you're not going to face any difficulties at all. But if you want to do it by yourself, by just going to their website and clicking on sign up, then you're going to face some problem and you may not be able to create the account successfully. So let's go right into the video. The first thing to do is to go to your Play Store or Apple Store, then search for Paga. You are going to download this application because it is the one that we'll be using for our PayPal account. So Paga and PayPal has like an affiliation, so that is another route that we can use in creating our PayPal. So once you have successfully installed the application, that is the Paga application, the next thing is to just go to where it says sign up. Then you click on Nigeria account. So you are going to register it with your phone number. So just put your phone number. They are going to send an OTP to your phone number. So you can just click on SMS or WhatsApp. Just click on SMS. They are going to send an OTP to your number. Then you're just going to input it in that space. Then you click on continue. So this is where you're going to put your NIN, your identification number. So just go ahead and put it. So after pasting your NIN number, the next thing is for you to verify your face. So just go ahead and verify your face. So it will show submission completed. So the next thing is to put in your email address and create a password. So make sure it's a valid email address because they're going to send an OTP, and make sure that you create a password that you will always remember, because that password you are creating will give you access to the platform. So once you are done filling all this information, then you press continue. Sometimes the website may just be hanging. All you need to do is just leave the website entirely, just minimize it or take it away, then you click on it back again. So the next thing is to create like a username for yourself. So I'll just go ahead and create something. Then once you set up your username, you see congratulations, your Paga account has been created. So we are going to now move to the next phase. So once you just move to the next phase, it will take you to this dashboard. You click on where it says Nigeria account. So you can see, you will see PayPal account, United States dollar account. So just click on PayPal account since we are creating a PayPal account. So once you just click on it, so you have to provide your BVN. So just put in your BVN in order to create the PayPal account. You see, unable to create a PayPal account, you need to be on at least KYC level 2. So just provide your BVN. Once you provide your BVN, then it will take you to the next phase. Once you are done, it says connect PayPal. So we will now connect our PayPal to this our Paga account. That means we are creating our new PayPal account. So this is where you are going to fill your details. Fill all the details that you want to use to open your PayPal account. The date of birth, very important. If you didn't fill this section, it will not take you to the next phase. Fill in your date of birth, fill in your address, your first name, your last name, every details that is required for you to fill here. Just go ahead and say next. So the next phase is some security setup. Just click an human. So once you click on that, they are going to send a notification to your phone number. So just go ahead and paste that number that they sent to your phone number into the box here. Then you pass the security challenge question again. Just click on it. Then this is where we are now going to set your profile, that is your password to your PayPal account. So put your email address and put the password that you want to use for your PayPal account. You can use the same password, but this password and this email will be the one you will use in logging into your PayPal account. So click on the box there, then press agree and create account. So once you press agree and create account, it's going to take you to the next phase. So it will just load for a while. Once you load, then you are going to sign like an agreement, like the terms and conditions. So just scroll down, then you see the agreement. You can go ahead and read it if you like. So once you are done, just click on agree and continue. So if you get like an error message like this, just click on retry. Then once you click on it, it will take you to the next place. So this is your PayPal account. So just go ahead and log in with the password that we created the other time. So log in to your PayPal account. So also make sure that you have installed PayPal on your phone. So you just go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download PayPal, so that we'll also try and log in with that information we created. So you see your PayPal account has been successfully created. So that is just all we need to create our PayPal account. The next thing is for us to verify our account, to verify our PayPal account. So you need to download that PayPal application on your phone. If you check your email address, PayPal will have sent a verification link to your email address. So you need to verify that your account. Go to your email address and verify your PayPal account. It's very, very important. Confirm my email address. So you need to confirm your email address. So once you just click on it, it's going to take you to the official website where you just put in your email address, then you put in the password that you have created. So verify your PayPal account, put in the password that you created, and press login. Then it will say that you have confirmed your email address. Your email has been confirmed. Then you press continue. So once you press continue, then automatically we have successfully created our PayPal account. Now you can now link your local bank to it and start performing different transactions. So let me just show you how the account looks like. So this is how the website looks like. So you can just go ahead and link your card, that's your debit card. Make sure it's a MasterCard. So I have already linked my own UB account with it. So you can just go ahead and explore the account and just do a lot of things with it. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video. Bye.